Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Alvin, and today I've got a very special unboxing for you guys. It's the React Element 87, and I actually was lucky enough to get both colorways on the day of release, which was June 21st in the UK. Now, both pairs were very hyped. Obviously, the Sail colorway was way more hyped. This one, the resale is a little bit crazy on right now, but I'm just really happy to have both pairs, and I've been wearing the black pair now for about a week. I've had about two or three wears out of them, and I must say it's a good shoe. Like, it's actually a really, really good shoe, very comfortable, very, very good. And it's really, right now, this colorway was my dream shoe, you could say, because when Virgil first dropped with Nike, he created a Zoom Fly. Now, that Zoom Fly I love because of the translucent toe box and stuff like that on it, or the whole translucent upper actually. And I wasn't able to get it, and the resale was just crazy. Then the Tom Sack came out before that as well, and I loved that. And I didn't get that because the resale again was crazy, and I'm not about to spend like £800 on a Tom Sack. Now they're like 1.5 or something silly. So when this came out, to me it's reminiscent of both. That's because you got the cork insole, and they actually are different on both pairs. So on the black pair you get the black swoosh, then on the Sail colorway you actually get this bright orange swoosh. So it's actually a really, really nice insole. I mean, no one sees it, but I just think the attention to detail in the shoe has been next to none. It's like one of the best, it's definitely the best and most well-crafted Nike trainer I have in my collection. Just because the use of materials, like this is like a suede material, then you've got the translucent mesh material here, then there's like hits of like maybe other materials, and the stitching's really nice and different stitching styles. So I really do think like this is in the runs for the trainer of the year. Now, with Nike, they always get a new release, you know, they always make a new model, like a Vapor Max for example, and then they just saturate the market. So for me, I hope this shoe is not saturated, and I hope they don't release like 30 colorways or something, because to me that just deads the whole trainer, and it just makes it a GR, and no one wants a GR, if we're being honest. You want something exclusive, you want something that not everyone can get hold of, and that's exactly how it feels right now with this shoe, and that makes it, to me, that little bit more special. So the construction, as I said, is incredible. Now, as I said, I've been wearing it a couple times, and I do have a couple things to note. Now, the way that this midsole is set up means that it creases crazy. Like, I've worn it 2 to 3 times, and it's just looking wrinkly. Like, there's lots of wrinkles in it, and I don't know how I feel about that. Now, it's expected, obviously, you wear your shoes, they get creased, but it just doesn't make the silhouette look as nice. So that's one thing to note. Then also the sizing is weird. I don't know if that's because of my feet, but I got a UK 10 in these, and I feel like my little toe is like, it just hurts every time I wear it with the little toe, so I might just take the insoles out. But as I said, I do have quite wide feet, so I'd probably suggest true to size, if not half a size up to be safe. And it really depends on the socks you're wearing as well. Now, another thing to note, with this shoe being translucent, the greatest thing I think about this shoe is the fact that you essentially are customizing the shoe every time you wear it. Now, I've been wearing this shoe with these 2 pairs of socks, the neon pair and then the purple pair, and to me, it just looks so sick because it just changes the whole silhouette. Like, the neon pair makes all these black lines that are on top of the translucent material pop out more because it's kind of filled with neon color. Then the purple's a little bit more subtle, but again, it just makes the shoe a bit more personal, and that's something I really love about the shoe. So I'd suggest, if you do get a pair, get creative with the socks you're wearing. So definitely love this shoe, and I'm just gonna get some B-roll footage now so you can see up close. Thank you for watching my latest YouTube video, and make sure you subscribe for all the upcoming content this summer. And let me know in the comments below which is your favourite pair and if you do plan on getting a pair.